How to fix subtitles on Amazon Prime Video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix subtitles on Amazon Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to fix the subtitles on Amazon Prime Video, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Prime Video application here. Once you launch the Prime Video app, this is the kind of interface that you will see. Then after this, what you actually have to do is you need to basically just, let's say you're trying to watch something and maybe you're not getting the subtitles, or maybe it is in a wrong language, or for some kind of reason you can try to play that certain movie there. And once you try to play that certain movie, what you have to do is from the top right hand side you'll simply find this little icon, which is this caption like icon. So you have to simply tap on the caption like icon and then you can choose the required subtitle file that you want. Now sometimes the movie might not have multiple subtitles, so that's not up to us, that's up to the movie maker or the creator who chose to add or not the subtitle for this particular show that you might be watching. But to give you a context, that is how you can customize and fix the subtitles. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.